Hey, what's up, guys? It's raining out here. But you know, it's summer, and it's not unusual for it to rain during the summer. Yeah. I might show you guys a slow-mo. Yeah, guys, so yep. I'm gonna step out here for a second. The rain has calmed down. Still raining, of course, but it's not as bad as before. Wasn't really that bad to begin with, anyways. Yeah, so this is the only part of my house that you'll see is the backyard. I don't want to show their face. Yep, so I'm walking in the rain. I have a jacket on me, so yeah. I won't get as wet as I would otherwise with that one. This is the only part of my house. This is the only part of my property that you'll see is the backyard. Anyway, yeah, guys, that was just a video of me walking in the rain, and that's all there is to say.
Yep. Anyway, bye guys.